Hey, good morning. It's Missy from Wicked Thrift, and I'm going to show you the first two steps that we go through when we're authenticating a Coach bag. So, first, I have wiped down my hands with one of my wet wipes. I'm going to do this before and after. So, we're all squeaky clean and safe. So, I'm going to reach into our all of these were donated to us. Thank you so much for all of your generosity when it comes to donations and stuff like this. But all of these were donated to us, so I'm going to make sure they're real before we price them and put them out. So first, this is a great example. Okay, so the first thing we look for is condition, right? So even if this is a real bag, the handles are gone, which makes me believe that this is not an authentic Coach bag. So first thing we look for is condition. Second thing we look for is, and not very surprised that this doesn't have it, the credo. So that would be the number that's supposed to be right here. So this, what it would look like, let me actually grab one of our other Coach bags so I can show you what that bit would look like. Okay, we're back. So this is what it would look like. Right, you have the Coach logo up here. It says that this is a Coach, and then there's this number here. This number is super important for authenticating Coach bags because it's super simple. All you have to do is take this number and Google it. That is truly that simple. And if the bag shows up and it looks like the bag you have in your hand, then it's real. So with this one is also online at wickedthrift.com. Go check it out. So when it comes to this one, it kind of clicked both the boxes. I had not seen any of the ones that were in here. And so this is the actual first one I pulled out. And so it had the two things I was going to look for. Anyway, so that's the condition. Is it peeling? What's going on? Leather does not peel like that. So that is the first thing I was going to look for was condition. This one's obviously not doing well. And the second thing I was going to look for was that credo, that number inside, which would have been right here. So those are the first two steps for authenticating a Coach bag. Now, the condition thing, that is universal through every bag that comes through here. But with Coach bags, they are just extra easy to authenticate because of that credo. So let me show you what that looks like. So I have my laptop in front of me, and I'll show you the results once I do it. So this bag, this gorgeous bag, this is a Coach Whiskey and Cream crossbody bag. So let's look at condition together, right? You'll see here. Hi, Tammy just came in, so I had to pause and go get her. So here is this Coach bag. We're gonna look it up by the number, like I said, that credo inside. And I'll show you my screen in a second. So I'm typing in Coach, which is the brand, obviously. And then this last bit of the number. So F31664. And I've hit enter. And sure enough, here they are. And let me get this. And I'll turn this so you can see it. And so as you can see, these are indeed the exact same style as the bag that I have in my lap. And so that's how we know that this is a real bag. And you can do this you could just Google it. You could put it in eBay. I like to just go right to eBay because that's the first thing I check for values and stuff like that. So that is the first two steps of authenticating a Coach bag.